Eduka yobomo ya Uhuru Superstores Limited nero eduka cholide ilikuwa tukachirangi cha Crown Paints eyure company nambe yemo eyo karose chirangi mense yiga ya Kenya. Crown Paints nigo emanyira sokoro isya ebintu biriya bikomanya seka ngo kwanira chirangi ejo boyiko chire chichi brand ao ejo chire chingi ya kirage chirangi chiga nigo chire chibirengo ao punabono mbabwata chirangi cyo gwakwa imeye nyumba iziko ya nyumba chire chikomentera nibwa amavuta yani oil na bwigo chiriya chia mache inyuranga chirangi chiga nigo chire kurwase chire chiri guririke iriya gatigati bwekariguri iriya bantabatinu bwigo imeya Uhuru Superstores nero eduka yuka iyo bwate emixer iyo bwochoganya chirangi wikabunuraganye bwochoganire erangiriga aseduke yiga ya Uhuru Superstores na bwokwege namuna ekale aho watagete nigo kwayanyora wikirano tutarire rero elibwe nyorere abamanyi nabwigo enekenga enyumba yao use asomanyete use chire chibiasara nchibwa tokorelekana okuya na ayonsi nigo araikirane ekero utumikite chirangi cha Crown Paints eduke yiga ya Uhuru Superstores ugiye gutoka se enyumba ya Uhuru Complex imeyumucho yigo musongo eyuerange neduka ya Safaricom mwigo ngotuka bari ase nyumba ya JM Towers eyuere angene bengi ya Credit Bank asamange bakere simbwetera seti namba chabo 0111161500. Uhuru Superstores, the people's choice, guaranteed lowest prices. Karibu nyumbani.
Aha. Kwa hiyo umeamua kuumwaga mchele kwenye kuku wengi. Mbona mimi na yako siyasemi? Mwanaume gani wewe? Kutwa kujilizaliza. Sehemu ya kulia mimi, unalia wewe. Ukirudi nyumbani, unalala tu. Haujali mwenzako nimekula, nimeshiba au nina njaa. Au niwaambie watu kama wewe mchezaji majeruhi. Kwa mwezi unacheza mara moja tu. Niache!
Dada, maneno unayamwaga hayo.
Niache. Wewe umeamua kuyamwaga. Kuanzia leo, watu wote na
Masoge na inde omwancho moligerelia nintunde yakabira na nyale kuba ginkwira na asembe no morobuli w'Ekeonga nchini gwankoro kwa Ruth Morara ven mo nyaboke korwa aso muno bimanyiriro Barnabas nero gocha kwane kyabuna chibicha na malyoyi ngo kirabire asenchira ere yobwekirano nato gochaka Ekeonga nigo omorai bwensu muske Dr. William Ruto arokia ogotago kiwa kolengana n'ibintu biri banyalite ko babigo salibwa chingaki abantu balenge aso kurobekana chingaki echecho nigaliera abantu eira gocha kwane kyabuna ngo tumiyale chinchira chansi cyaranyale kwane kyabuna molembengo ikiranole asense ya Kenya ukwana kurori muru nigaboli abarayi bali ba opposition goeke yana kuliye chikura asencherere yo molembe
itakoma. It must stop. Sijui kama tunaelewana. And we are going to use whatever means that is available to make sure that we stabilize the country. We cannot accept mayhem and anarchy to destroy the development we have in this country. Sasa mimi naulize watu wa hapa Kilimani. Nyumba tunajenga kama hii. Ati watu washenzi wanakuja kuwakisha moto wachome. Surely. Ni nchi tunajenga ama ni nchi tunabomoa? Alafu watu wanatuambia Kiingereza sijui siasa nini. Hapana, that will not go on. You can call me whatever names you want to call me, but I will make sure that there is peace and stability in Kenya by all means possible. Sijui kama tunaelewana my friends. Hapana, hii kuchoma mali ya wananchi itakoma. Mwananchi anahangaika miaka nyingi kutengeneza biashara yake. Mwananchi anapanga mambo yake. Alafu mtu mwanasiasa, mtu mjinga anakuja anapanga maandamano, anapanga fujo, mali ya mwananchi inaharibika, alafu wanatuambia ni siasa. Hiyo ni siasa gani? Hiyo ni siasa? Na kama wako na mpango, si tukutane 2027? Watengeneze sera yao, tukutane na hawa 2027. Njia ya mkato hapa katikati hakuna. Tumekubaliana watu wa Nairobi? Yes. Na wasikie vizuri. Wasikie vizuri. Na waelewe. Tumekubaliana Nairobi? Mnasema tuendelee na kufanya kazi. This country will not be destroyed by a few people who are impatient and who want to have a change of government.
Abarai bali banyara ko bagwikirana aso muraibu ense arengeri muru niko boigo baburirie abantu gokiania kibura buru kinga kibali aso kurobekana na koro kya gota gokigwa cinjira ebintu by'abantu byanyate ko babigo saligwa kinga kibalenge aso kurobekana niko boigo bagikerie abarai gose abantu bali bakunyara ko bayisegeto gosalia ebintu by'abantu kinga kiba kurobekana
bure. Kwa hivyo sisi tunasema vijana, shikilieni hapo. Hapo. Tusemezane. Na uwezi semezana kama kelele ni mingi. Hata Biblia inasema anga, hasira, hasara. Kwa hivyo hatuwezi zungumuza Kenya tukiwa na hasira. Na shida si mheshimiwa rais. Shida ilianza kitambo.
Na chingaki ebunge yanyalise ko bagiko buguli bikaru na komorusia omo gavano Isiolo Abdiguyo Abisi nigo abawakili amoni bunge ya negativuna chinjira batu mugete komorusia Abisi nchialenge chiria chikobwati ari chiko nigo bayigo ekyukirerete ugotarusiko kwa Abisi na koirana ile kogenderera nemirimo.
To the process of the proposed removal from office by impeachment of Honorable Abdi Ibrahim Hassan, Council invited the Senate to conduct a preliminary inquiry by way of trial within a trial in Limine, with a view to establishing the authenticity of the Hansard reports.
Senators, you will know the role of the clerk in the business of the House, and is a person likely to know whether the House sat or not in two respects. Number one, when he is physically present, and number two, as the custodian of the official records of the House.
The preliminary objection raised by the Council for the Governor will be determined by a vote of the Senate. The procedure for proceeding to this vote will by a motion in the usual manner, and accordingly terminates the proceedings for the proposed removal from office by impeachment of Honorable Abdi Ibrahim Hassan, the Governor of Isiolo.
At a PO level, if this motion was to pass, as is, Mr. Speaker. The first one was in the case in Kericho. This will be the second time. I don't believe, Mr. Speaker, that that is justice. Justice shouldn't be that simplistic. I believe, Mr. Speaker, that at the very least, Mr. Speaker, we owe the people of Isiolo a chance to listen to them.
Or the assembly didn't sit, or what? I wish the people who are negatively talking about the assembly, they should have known what they have gone through. Some of them, they have almost lost their lives in the circumstance. Mr. Speaker.
Na tugotigana nayo omoko oyo kabeire omoko nyibo muraibu enso mokoro Rigathi Gachagua gose omuraibu kiamagia CDP DCP nigo aburirie omuraibu ense gokorera abakenya koboikerania abakenya chira nyalite ko bagakobairera nigo gukwana kurwa Nairobi angena mwaye nigo Gachagua aburirie omuraibu ense kokia make sure na chibura buru chanyalite ko bachigokiana imeyense na kwenekeria abakenya chira nyalite ko bagakobairera.
We want to remind President Ruto that it is not the Kikuyus who want him out of office. It is the entire people of Kenya. Kenyans are suffering equally across the country. That is why Kenyans have said, if you, Mr. William Ruto, believe that it is the Kikuyus who want you out, then all Kenyans are Kikuyus. I want to thank the people of Kenya for standing out against this tribal profiling of the Kikuyu. The people of Kenya yesterday did wonderful by saying that the Kikuyus should not be profiled. This morning, I've seen Ruto quivering and wailing in uncontrollable anger. Mr. Ruto, excessive anger is not a solution. I want, with a lot of humility, to advise you to stop being angry. That will not help. You need to know what you need to do because you have not been listening to the people of Kenya. The people of Kenya are more angry than you are. They are angry because you have overtaxed them. There is wanton corruption. There is abductions and extrajudicial killings. There is ethnic profiling and other ills that bedevil your administration. If you want to be calm, please abolish the housing levy and give dignity to the payslip. I have heard you saying that you cannot give jobs to the young people. Please restore the dignity of the payslip, restore the capacity of the middle class. The middle class will give jobs to these young people. Stop killing and profiling the young people. Listen to them. Stop abductions and extrajudicial killings. Abolish, disband the killer squad of 101 officers at Danudin Haji. Give hustlers the jobs that you promised them. Mr. William Ruto, you are the one who promised. You cannot cry today that you have no solution, saying that other presidents have not been able to do it. You are the one who promised these young people. Stop police brutality. Stop abductions and illegal detentions.
Abakori emirimo ase sekta y'obachanu ya UHC nigo baorokirie ogotagwo kigwa ase getambokero kia serikali y'imugiti gochia gosukia mutwe omurobori bwoko ba egasi bwekiranu gokwana ase byombe bya bagavana gose Council of Governors nigo bagoserire gochigotiga emirimo onyemba kunya na kuriga emirimo meo onyemba gochikonyara kuba bakuri kwa kibwekiranu. Solidarity forever, and the union makes us strong. Tunataka PNP. PNP.
UHC power. UHC power.
We met here in the morning following the communication that was made by the ministry that we come for verification of documents. So we had an interaction with our deputy governor and a representative from the COG. Our expectation then is that we wanted this process of transition to take effect almost immediately. Unfortunately, we received very disheartening and devastating information that the budget that was allocated is only for the stipend that we are receiving currently. For sure, it has been a tug of war. So we are disgruntled and we are really unhappy because of the way the government is taking us back and forth.
I want to believe government works with seamless information from every agency. Information cannot be changing from time to time. And we are asking them that this time round, if they don't find a line in which they follow, if everyone comes with their own information, we will stay on strike until they know what they want for us.
So after this exercise, what we expect is nothing less than PNP. So if you expect us to come to your office every day, every week, we will be there until you give us PNP.
Chiwiki nkego chaitire kurwa omuswada bwa abantu bali no balema oetiwa bwekiranu. Chiri tukolia lero nigo aba ebyombe au byabateneneri bali bateneneri abantu bali bamenyetse no balema byanyara ko babigwikirana ase sukuru ya Columbus ime ya Kitale na gochakia omurubiri bwogochi otalira abantu bali bamenyete no balema gose kisukuru kiri cy'abantu bali bamenyete no balema iliko ba obosemya tinga kiyecho niko babuli abayiboli gotika kubisa abana babo bali no balema na kubaleta ase kisukuru ili banyare ko babakonyora SM bachigwe konya asobo mabule bosio.
Ni vizuri bajeti haswa ya nchi na ya gatuzi ielekeze masuala ya walemavu zaidi kuliko venye inaelekeza, ili hata kama wanawake kwenye bodi haswa wa magharibi hawako, lakini serikali imeweka bajeti msingi ya walemavu, bajeti mwafaka ya chakula, ya masomo, ya kutengeneza kama zahanati, itakuwa vyema sana. Basi tunaangalia bajeti kindani tukijua kwamba kuna wale walemavu.
For the government, responsibility is to ensure that every child is able to be given the kind of special education that they require. And that's why we've been able to see here we have teachers that are specially trained to deal with the deaf children, and they're able to teach them the Kenya Sign Language that is able to enable them to progress on with school, in high school, and even in tertiary education where they acquire skills and they become useful.
Nago ikirabu omwanchi umurigerio Getembe TV na otagucha kubutolera umurubiri bw'Ekeonga Chinsa Ikomi nchani kwa nkoro kwa Ruth Morara ven nyabuke kurwa aso umuntu wawe bimanyirio Barnabas nero ene kyabona chibi cyana malingo ikira kire asencherere bwikira nakuganire kinga kikiri chintorero yandara kurigeria ETV ya Getembe ilo nyale kubago gwesemya kwa egokia na kwemanyia aya nyale kubaga ko kolekana imense.
Superstores nero eduka asorgo ngurigarua South Nyanza yanchere amone company ya mabati Rolling Mills ilikuya bwatuka uchiase abaonia aiga ntobwate showroom asura achabwirigirie amabati anda usialia utagete showroom yeto nigo enkale iyuerengia na boigo ekogokiriso yao chingaki ogoswasa yiga kurigiriria amabati aiga ntobwate time tembo abo bagokolemirimo ase showroom yiga babwate chingoro chingia chugo kwarigania na boigo cho tebererie kende gensi uraganie bagotebererie company ya mabati Rolling Mills niko babwate amabati chingenjo ao ayuare ye chikala ao na boigo ayuiga bwate chi profile net gauges ao unabono babwate normal corrugated na boigo box corrugated asibego babwate Dumerang ayuare aye chigage emerongetato asama mabati ali aye chigage emerongibere na isaro na isato babwate tile profiles alia au oriental elegantal versatile gross na boigo na versatile mat MRM niko babwate lifestyle ayuago chana Roman Jinko na boigo web design babwate yigani kabwate chikala bunabone lia chako gray brick red tile red maroon sky blue na boigo na green obutambe bwe mabwate yiga niko bokolengana amo nukuganya gwe customer mbabwate bintu bindi boigo ebyo ochikunyara kabo gutumika chinga gicho gwakeranya mabwate yiga ase nyumba yao tutari rero ase ouru MRM showroom onyare kabo gukwerera amabwate yu akomenya segeka ayo uchane warrant na boigo ayo orakoberwa ikasure asubwango eduke yiga ya ouru superstores yego toka se enyumba ya ouru complex imeyumu chuyigo busongo iyo erangene duka ya Safaricom boigo ngotuka bari ase nyumba ya JM Towers iyo ere angene bengi ya Credit Bank asamange bakere simgwetera seti namba chabo 0111161500 Ouru Superstores, the people's choice, guaranteed lowest prices. Karibu nyumbani.
Yeah. Asegeka k'emyaka 49 ebenki ya Kenya pamoja sako yabere n'omugusi negukinya omugusi ase eningo yae yabere gekurwa obukorere ase Chinsa mu buno savings loans obosemi bwo gutumika chibesam na diaspora